A concept map is a powerful tool for visually organizing and representing knowledge. It helps students and readers understand relationships between concepts, see how ideas are interconnected, discover related concepts, and logically organize information. Here's how to use a concept map to improve reading comprehension. Steps to use a concept map. Preparation. Choose the text. Select a text that is rich in concepts and relationships, such as an informational article, textbook chapter, or scientific paper. Explain the purpose. Discuss with students the purpose of using a concept map to visually organize and summarize information by showing the relationships between concepts. Introduce concept mapping. Explain concept maps. Introduce the idea of a concept map, emphasizing how it helps in understanding and summarizing complex information. Show examples. Provide examples of concept maps related to simple topics to illustrate how they work. Demonstrate the strategy. Read the text together. Read the chosen text as a class or in small groups. Identify key concepts. Identify the central or main ideas and key concepts in the text. Write these concepts on the board or a shared screen. Example: if the text is about the water cycle, key concepts might include evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Create the concept map. Central concept. Start with the central concept or main idea of the text in the center of the map. Add related concepts. Branch out from the central concept to add related concepts. Use lines or arrows to connect related concepts, showing the relationships between them. Label connections. Label the connections to describe the relationships, e.g., leads to, causes results in. Guided practice. Collaborate. Work together as a class to build the concept map. Encourage students to suggest concepts and connections. Discuss relationships. Discuss why certain concepts are connected and how they relate to each other. Independent practice. Individual concept maps. Have students create their own concept maps based on a new text or a different section of the same text. Use prompts. Provide guiding questions to help students identify key concepts and relationships. Prompt. What are the central or main ideas? How are they related? What supporting details connect these ideas? Review and share. Share maps. Have students share their concept maps with a partner or small group. Discuss the similarities and differences in their maps. Class discussion. Facilitate a class discussion to review key points and ensure all important concepts and relationships are covered. Reflect and assess. Reflect on the process. Ask students to reflect on how creating a concept map helped them understand and summarize the text. Prompt. How did the concept map help you organize your thoughts? What did you find challenging? Provide feedback. Review students' concept maps and provide constructive feedback, focusing on the clarity of concepts and the accuracy of relationships. Consistency and integration. Regular practice. Integrate the use of concept maps into regular reading assignments to help students develop and reinforce this skill. Cross-curricular application. Use concept maps in various subjects to show their versatility in summarizing and organizing different types of information. Tips for effective concept mapping. Start simple. Begin with simple texts and gradually move to more complex ones as students become comfortable with the process. Encourage creativity. Allow students to use colors, shapes, and different line styles to make their maps more visually appealing and easier to understand. Provide tools. Use digital tools and apps that facilitate concept mapping. Iterate and revise. Encourage students to revise their concept maps as they refine their understanding of the text. By regularly using concept maps as part of the summarized strategy, students can enhance their ability to organize and synthesize information, leading to deeper comprehension and retention of the material.